Hi guys! In the previous videos, we've created Business Manager, Facebook business page and Instagram business account. The next step is to create an Ads account. You'll think how many accounts are there for you to create, but don't worry, you'll only do it once and you won't have to do it again. So, let's move on to creating an advertising account. In it, we will create our ad campaigns. It is also called Ads Manager. In the Ads Manager, we will set up the advertising campaign. Choose the audience, plan the budget, and select the creatives. To create an ad account in Business Manager, go to the Ads Account section in the Business Manager settings, click on Add, and select Create New Ad Account. Fill in the account name, time zone, and what currency you will be budgeting and paying your bills in. My account name will be Sunny Smile. You can name it the same or make up your own name. It's not important right now. Choose your time zone and the currency in which you plan to pay for ads. Usually it is dollars. So click Next. Now select who this account will be used for. In our case, as we are the owners of the dental clinic, select My Business and click Create. Now, let's set permissions for the created ad office. Since I own the business page and the ad manager, I set myself full control over the account. I activate all and click Assign. The ad account is created. The next step is to add payment method. Fill in the country from which you are going to make payment, the currency, and your time zone. In the next window, choose the payment method. Debit or credit card or a PayPal if you want to pay for ads through it. If you choose a card as your payment method, enter your card details in the next window and make sure there is an amount equivalent to $1 in your balance for the test payment. If you add PayPal as a payment method, just log into your personal cabinet and the payment method will be added. Now we are ready to set up our first ad campaign. But first, let's remember what we've already done. We've created a Business Manager, an environment where our ads tool are placed. We created a Facebook business page to broadcast our ads on Facebook. We created an Instagram business page to show our ads on Instagram. And we've created an Ads Manager to create our ads in it. And now I want to tell you about another benefit of Business Manager. I intentionally didn't talk about it in the video about creating the Business Manager, so you wouldn't be confused. But now it's time. So let's say you have two businesses. You can add 2 Facebook business pages, 2 Instagram business accounts, and 2 advertising accounts to your Business Manager. That way it's easier for you to keep everything in one place and switch between ad accounts. In the following videos, we'll explain how to manage multiple Business Manager in more details. Now we've created all the tools we need. And in the next video, we'll create the first ad campaign with you. See you in the next video!